Hey there, it's Brian from Winter Garden Yoga, and by request we were asked for a video on how to do a modified push-up. It's a great question. Step one is find my previous video on how to do a push-up. I'll include the link in the description below, but it tells you about what to look for in your hands, elbows and shoulders and stuff like that. So once you've watched that video, once you've gotten clearance to practice a push-up, here's how we can modify it. Whether you do a modified push-up or not, the rules are pretty much the same. You want to keep your neck retracted, that means pull your neck back, and you want to have your pelvis tucked under. It's called a posterior pelvic tilt. The push-up is basically an anti-rotation exercise. So if this represents a push-up, you want your push-up to look like this. You don't want your push-up to look like this, or your push-up to look like this. Your torso should be stiff. You should really only move through your shoulders and through your elbows. Let me show you a correct modified push-up, and then I'll show you an incorrect modified push-up. So you set up on all fours, but your knees are going to be a little bit further under your hips. So you're not directly under your hips, it's a little further back. Posterior pelvic tilt means you tuck your pelvis under like that, and retracting your skull means you pull your head back like this. So you keep the posterior tilt, you keep your neck retracted, keep your torso stiff, bend your elbows, one piece, and then this is the important part because you push back with one piece. That's probably a pretty good push-up. Here's a pretty awful push-up. Don't do that. You see that my neck disengaged, my core disengaged, I fell to pieces. You want to do the first one. So just remember, keep your core engaged. It's a posterior pelvic tilt. Keep your neck retracted. Hold it all together. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Thanks.